What data in a footprint means and how to read it properly to make really powerful trades. As you know, footprint, it is a really powerful tool where you can see where people buy and sell a lot of coins. We compare footprint to Rengen because, example, you need to see what's going on with your lungs and for that case it's cool to see what's going on inside and to make a decision. The same with trading. Some people trade by technical analysis. It's the same if you would go to your doctor and would say, tell me what's with my lungs. Normal doctor would say, go and make Rengen or X-ray and let's see what's going on inside, and after that I will give you a clear recommendation. The same with footprint. There are different type of information that you can read, and let me show to you how exactly I do it. Watch till the end, because at the end there would be powerful examples that will help you exactly practically use it. Firstly, footprint, it is a candle inside, and the first type of volume profile that I use, it is it is volume profile. It is what this stuff means. Let me show to you by this real practical example. Have a look on this example. Like I think you see here on this candle, this one, 57.300,000 coins were traded at this levels, 1627. What does this mean? It means that some part of these coins were sold and part of this coin were bought. It is, and combined together, it is this volume. Why we see difference in the color here? Because in a platform that I use to read footprint data, I have a special settings that helps me see where exactly significant volume traded. Why is this stuff so important for me? Because even like this example, pay attention, 1,500 million coins. Why this color, for example, we have this beautiful purple color, here yellow, but this one blue. Because in a platform that I use, we do special settings. Let me show to you the settings. About this platform, you can download it in the description. There would be a link. Use it, you will get special bonuses when you will use it. Also, we create special indicators that only our clients will be able to get access. When you do cluster settings, pay attention here. What data we can see here. First one, it is content. It shows to us what exactly data we can see here. There are different type of content that we can analyze. First one, it is volume, it is amount of coins that traded. Second one, trades. It is exactly amount of trades that were made, like people press buy and sell on their platforms. Another one, it is a delta. It is difference between buy and sell. Bid ask, it is exactly buy and sell. Let's cover this one, volume and volume profile. As you can see, we can analyze this data differently. I use volume profile. Color here. Our color, it is color scheme. I use heat map because as big a volume, we have closer to yellow. Why is this stuff is so important? Because even this example on ADA, have a look, significant volume appeared on ADA and price started beautiful rise because someone stopped price from dropping. Even like this example on this picture, why is this volume profile by color really important for us? Because pay attention how on this picture, like this area, this one, price exactly did this pump and biggest volume traded exactly here, and price after that made beautiful drop from that. Because in most cases when price make a reversal, that reversal will happen from the biggest volume, because for whales they have ability to buy a lot of coins. Because for example, if you want to build a position with like you would like to open short with 5,000 BTC, 50,000 BTC, you need liquidity for enter and you need liquidity for exit, and that's why such significant areas always will be important for us. On this picture it looks even way better. What they did, they pumped coin and exactly at high this P profile. Before I'll share with you another example, I ask you to push like. Friend, it's free for you, it's important for us because when people do a lot of activity, YouTube share it with more people, and that's good feedback that we do really cool stuff. As I told you, this volume profile, it is profiles that I personally use. Another one, it is a delta. What delta means? In each candle we have a difference between what people do with market orders. Delta showed to us difference between market orders. For those of you that saw our previous lesson about cumulative delta, it's just continuation, I highly recommend you to watch that lesson. That would be in the cards or in the description about what's cumulative delta. Delta, it is difference between buy and sell orders, because at every price level, there are some people that use buy market orders and they buy coins from sellers, and there are sellers that sell coins to buy limit orders. And why this stuff is so important for us? Because quite often it shows to us where people get trapped. This stuff really good to see traps, where people buyers trapped, sellers trapped. I like this stuff. I personally pay more attention to this one because when I see on a level delta of a bar, for me this one way more important, more practical, but I hope you need to see this stuff. Another example of a footprint, it is bid and ask. What this bid ask means? Left part it is sell, right part it is buy. How exactly it builds? Let me explain you by even this example, this 16 versus 14,000. What this stuff means? It means that on this level, some people sold by market orders to buy a limit. They sold 16,600 coins. There were people that did absorb it by using buy limit orders. And also there were this amount of coins that were bought from sell limits. And altogether, if you would look on this volume as volume profile, here would be 16.6 plus 14.1. It would be 30,700 coins traded exactly at this level. Quite big one. Based on my experience, the most important to trade very significant volume appeared, but from my point of view, in most cases, it's not matter in what direction that volume did people by market orders bought or sold, because whales can use both orders. An example for you like this one, it is trades that I took on BNB. Here 110 coins traded at 281. And have a look how after that, exactly that level by that big volume played out several times. Price bounced here, and after that it even became a resistance. That's why exactly levels with big volume nodes quite often become really important for us. That's why for me, as I told you, way more important where that volume than direction. Also in a footprint, as I told you, there are different type of information that you can analyze. You can analyze, for example, trades, volume and trades, volume and delta. For example, like this one, volume and delta. You can see exactly what's going on in each candle. But honestly, I didn't find it's super practical to use it properly. I didn't find a way how it helped me to boost my trading, because for me it's enough to see a very big volume. And at this moment right now, highly recommend you to continue education and watch this lesson about cumulative delta, how it works, how it will help you boost your trading and understand order flow better. If you have some questions, remember to write it in the comments, and thank you for your time.